Hello and welcome back to my channel. The last video was about the bit washer, and I told you that I'm going to experiment with filtering the bit washer liquid to see if we can extend how long we can use it. And so this is an experiment to try to figure if we can use a coffee filter to filter out all the nasty residues that we have in the liquid. For you to understand, I used this bit washer to clean those 6 bits. They're all brand new. I'm very excited about the results. And now our liquid is nasty. And I'm going to show you exactly how. So this is our liquid here. And you can see very clearly how much nasty stuff there is on the bottom and in the liquid. And we're going to try to filter this out. So how are we going to try to filter this out? Let me show this to you. And this is an experiment live. I've never done it before. So if it goes wrong, I might not show the video, or I might show it so you can make fun of me. And this is all improvised, right? This here is a coffee filter. And for this piece here, you buy those paper coffee filters. They're fine grained and they're meant to, like normally you have like here coffee powder and then you pour the water through it. So we put this in here and we put this on top of this marmalade glass here. And this is not ideal. It should be a little bit bigger, or you need to have like a stand where you can put this in and it like hovers above the glass. But this is what I could find. I will figure it out better, so don't make fun of me. This is all about figuring out if it actually works, or if I need to find another way to filter the liquid. And I will try to pour this through this and not spill too much. I don't know where to try it. Maybe this corner here, because the other side has, here you have some ventilation and you have the power plug, and I don't want any of the stuff to flow in here. I can't remove this, right? Yeah. So this corner seems the safest because it has no equipment. Here we have the button. So let's try this one here. Okay, in my eagerness to not spill too much, I put it in there a little bit fast. So there were a couple of drops that came out, but this is not an important sweater and I wear gloves, so all good. And now it's filtering the liquid and we're going to wait. This is going to take a time, so I will fast forward. Okay, here we're back, and for you to know, this took about 10 minutes to flow through the filter. So this is boring. Don't stand next to it watching like I did. You can just go away. If you have good installation, just leave it dripping until it's all done. But now 10 minutes later, it is done, and we will check out the results. There are absolutely no residues. There's no dirt. It looks like new, like when I poured it in the washer for the first time. If we look at the filter, it's absolutely nasty. Look at this. All the residue, all the dirt from the wood resin, everything that we cleansed, we have in this filter now. So clean liquid and dirty filter. All right, I'm really pumped about the output of this experiment. We have clean liquids. This is expensive, $25 a bottle, so we can save it that way. We can use it for more time. The coffee filters are really cheap. You can throw them away, so you can do that multiple times. Make sure you have a better installation than I have right now in this improvised setting. But other than that, this is something you can do. as many times as you want. You will lose some liquid, obviously in the filter, through evaporation and these kind of things, so you won't be able to use it forever. But as long as you can clean out the worst dirt from the liquid that way, this is going to be kind to our pockets and kind to the environment. I hope you liked this little video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you around.